We were just mooching there. Do it again, Mia. Oh, let's mooch. Let's mooch. Okay, guys, we're on the human giraffe. Okay. Oh my. Oh, let me kiss you. Let me kiss you. Kiss you. We were literally just wanting to do a video. Oh, mwah, mwah, mwah. I love kissing you. Aww, this is cute. I love this game. It's called Human Giraffe. I can even swim like a giant headless giraffe. Oh, what's that? What is that? Oh, there's a button. There's a button. Oh, button. The button didn't do anything. It was a whole button. Ah! Okay, I've already got bored. Ow! Help me out! Thank you. We will. Well, by the way, guys, my name on TikTok is Cleo Clops. We know. Yeah, I do. Over here's my username. Over here's my kills. I don't have any because I'm just used to this. I'm not used to this. Whoa! There's a hole!